The beautiful morning was graced by the soft rays of the sun, bathing the ant colony in light. However, suddenly, a tyrant invaded the colony, with no trace of mercy in his heart. He oppressed the weak ants without any shame or hesitation, showing neither remorse nor restraint.
You can't harm me, weak ants. I will come back again and enjoy eating you.
This is unbearable! Oh God! Something must be done about this.
The elders called all the members of the community to gather in the central hall.
This is not the time to be afraid or step back. This is the time to move forward. No one can enslave us by trapping us in their claws. No one can suppress us by considering us weak. We are ants who know patience, possess courage, and, when the time comes, can turn into a storm. Are you all ready? Oh, my brave nation, do not think that you are weak. Your size may be small, but your determination reaches the skies. History bears witness that whenever a nation unites for a cause, when it rises above differences of color and race under one flag, its weakness transforms into a strength so powerful that mountains tremble, storms change their course, and enemies begin to shudder. O people, we will fight for our colony, for our children, and for the generations to come. After today, no one will dare to seize our land. The time has come for us to unite and launch such an attack on the enemy that they will remember our strength for centuries. Every colony and tribe of ants, in separate groups, marched toward the enemy's settlement. Neither the roaring storm could stop them nor the heavy raindrops. Every force of nature bowed before their unshakable determination. In the darkness of the night, lightning flashed, winds howled, but in the hearts of these brave ants only one cry echoed: victory or destruction. Nature stands with those who never give up, who fight for their survival, who do not hesitate to sacrifice their lives for the future generations. Today, the ants are not just fighting for their colony, but for the dignity of the entire ant nation.
Have courage. The path is difficult, but the destination is not far.
Every ant knows that tonight, they must rob the enemy of sleep, shake their fortresses, and wreak such havoc in their colony that they never again consider ants as weak.
Take the narrow alley and escape, man. They've brought a whole army.
Stop. Stop. Where are you running? Coward, come and face us.
How dare you call me a coward? Don't you know who I am?
Thanks God we won.